Greetings! Just a quick video announcement. I wanted to share with you my design for the Patreon exclusive tutorial for this month, and it is quite shiny. The poll for this month was flowers and shit, so here is a flower with some shit. I really like how the leaf motif and the pattern has come out. And of course, I was being extra and extravagant because I just originally started with just this bit, and I was like, you know what, it kind of needs more, because I have no self-control. So I made it with dangly parts, and I made a chain for it. This one also has a lot of room for colors and such, because I have the demo here of this one in my traditional blacks and reds. This also kind of looks like a poinsettia, so if you made it into reds and greens, I wouldn't blame you. All in all, a really nice, shiny statement piece without being too extravagant and without using too many beads in your stash. So, if you would like to learn how to do this piece, come and join me at my Patreon page down below. You can find links to that. This is available for just $1 a month. And not only do you get this tutorial for $1 a month, you get it for all my other tutorials. And check out the other tiers if you want some extra tidbits as well. All pertinent links will be down below. I hope to see you there. Okay, bye-bye.